Huawei P40 4K 60fps video sample. Quite strong light to see how it deals with contrast and hyperactive 4-year-old children. Just testing out the image stabilisation here on the Huawei P40. So this is the Full HD 30fps default setting for shooting video. Now it's on the maximum of resolution at 4K Ultra HD at that 30fps level. Still, again, looking pretty damn smooth. And lastly, 4K Ultra HD at 60fps, the maximum video settings. And again, still looking nice and slick here on the screen. This is a video test for the Huawei P40 shot at 4K resolution, 30fps, so you can use all of those lenses. If you shoot at 60fps, then you can't use them all. So here we are on the wide angle lens. Let's bump it up to 1x zoom, at which point it ticks through to that primary lens. Keep it going up, nice easy use of the slider, 2x zoom. Going up further to 3x. And you've got 4x zoom, at which point it ticks through to the telephoto lens. Get it up there to 5x zoom. Things are still looking pretty crisp. Stabilisation's pretty good considering I'm kind of rocking back and forth while squatting. That's a combination of OIS and AIS as Huawei terms it. Gone up to 7x zoom. And then all the way up to the maximum 10x zoom level. It's a little tricky to use at that 10x level with the stabilisation, but as long as you keep your hands relatively still and your subject isn't moving like these pesky geese, then it'll probably be reasonably easy. So we're here with the Huawei P40. We're going to be testing out some of the Leica AI modes now. So this one is called semi-mental. Hopefully it's making you look semi-mental, even more mental than usual. Is it doing anything?
Yes.
Am I in colour and everything else is in black and white?
Yeah.
I wish I was wearing more colourful clothes. Ready? Can you see my blue jeans?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, this one is dawn. Hopefully it's actually doing something. Fresh.
How good was mine?
So good. Okay, a bit of night video shot here on the Huawei P30. First of all, using the primary lens. And suddenly everything seems to be coming through bright, despite the low light. It's looking brighter on the display than it does to the naked eye. Those colours looking pretty natural. And there's a face that will haunt your dreams. And now we're shooting the same scene with the Huawei P40's ultra-wide angle lens, and everything certainly looks a lot darker compared with that primary lens, and also with the Huawei P40 Pro's ultra-wide angle lens. Get that spotlight back on. So yeah, those colours are looking quite faded. Details are looking pretty fuzzy, for sure. And now a really testing scenario, but at HDR in low light. So we've got that same bunch of flowers next to a lit candle. And so far, touch wood on the primary lens here, looking alright. Those colours are coming through quite naturally. Good amount of detail, and the candle isn't causing incredible amounts of frustration here. But the ultra-wide angle lens on the Huawei P40, again, struggling a bit. Things are a lot darker. That candle is quite overblown, nothing too sinister. But again, the colours don't appear to be coming through too well.